Should your company have an iPhone app? Apple's iPhone has had a huge impact on the mobile market since its introduction in 2007. One of the biggest impacts it's had is in the app market, software applications that run on the phone. Many large companies have created iPhone apps that allow their customers to interact with them through their phones. This technology isn't just for big companies, however. Even smaller businesses can benefit from these apps. And it doesn't have to cost a small fortune to have them created, even if you don't know a lick about programming. The big question for most businesses is, what would our app do? Finding the right answer to this is important because offering your customers an app that doesn't benefit them or catch their attention in some way isn't going to be very effective. Look at some of the most popular apps that large companies provide. Amazon.com offers an app that lets you shop right from your iPhone. You can look up products that Amazon sells, read all the details, and even order the product right from the app. It even includes a barcode scanner so you can compare prices to a local store simply by scanning a UPC code. And Apple themselves offer an Apple Store app that lets you buy products and arrange pickup in your local Apple Store, as well as more mundane things like checking in for a service appointment. In these two examples, the apps are extensions of the things that the companies already offer. Amazon's a large online retailer, and their iPhone app simply makes it easier to buy from them. And the Apple Store offers many products and services for which the shopping process is simplified by handling it all from the customer's iPhone. Not to mention the staff costs that are saved by allowing customers to look these things up for themselves. Look at your current business to come up with ideas for an app. What events or actions don't run as smoothly as they could? Maybe an app could help solve the problem. For example, if you run a restaurant, you might have an iPhone app that offers live seating updates. So a customer could check the seating before they leave home to see how busy it is and how long a wait there's going to be. This would not only make it easier for your customers, it could also help you fill the seats at slower times since people could see when those times are and come in then.